Shall we set experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients to false or true when manually accumulating gradients in TensorFlow? I am trying to perform a manual gradient accumulation in TensorFlow 2.2.0 using Python 3.8.5. I have a piece of code where I gather a series of gradients of total number of grads underscore total underscore number in a list, grads underscore list, and I do the accumulation using following code. I then intend to apply these grads via my optimizer to my model. Where my optimizer is Adam defined as tf.keras.optimizers.adam. However, due to the documentation here, I am confused if I have to set experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients to false. I could not clearly understand here that I have done the accumulation manually. If I let it be true, it continues to accumulate. Any help is very appreciated.
If you are using distributed strategy, i.e. distributed training across multiple TPUs, multiple machines or TPUs, then experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients parameter comes into picture. In distributed strategy, the gradients are calculated on each replica, then they are aggregated across the replicas by summing them. Aggregating across the replicas would be taken care by itself if experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients equals true, else have to be taken care manually if experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients equals false. It will not make any difference if you set experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients equals true or false if you are not using the distributed strategy. If you look into documentation of tf.distribute.strategy, you will find the below parameter. Num underscore replicas underscore and underscore sync returns number of replicas over which gradients are aggregated. To summarize, if you are using tf.distribute.strategy and if experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients equals true, then gradients computed in different replicas are aggregated automatically. If experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients equals false, then it's user responsibility to aggregate the gradients from the different replicas. By default, the experimental underscore aggregate underscore gradients is set to true. It wouldn't make any difference if true or false unless using tf.distribute.strategy.
Hypnotic Puzzle2 is